Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So last time I showed you how to make some delicious fried chicken. Today, it gets even better. Cornbread. Yeah, you heard me. It's jalapeno cheddar cornbread. Follow the recipe. It's down in the description. Things get a little bit messy. Just enjoy. Spicy, cheesy, and it just goes good with everything. Guys, first, you want to get your olive oil, start cooking your jalapeno, your bell pepper, and your corn. Season lightly. The entire recipe will be in the description below. Once that's cooled down, you want to set it to the side. Then you're going to start a sugar mixture. Just sugar, water, some olive oil. You're going to be pouring this into your dry mixture. And that dry mixture is just sifted flour and cornmeal. Don't forget to add all your salt and your baking powder. You can use a hand mixer for this process or a tabletop mixer, really doesn't matter. You want to just slowly pour your wet ingredients into the dry, add your eggs. Go ahead, add your veggies and your cheese. Give everything one final mix, and you're going to pour that into a baking tray. Make sure you spray it down nice and good. You don't want anything sticking to the bottom. And then you're just going to throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then plate with some delicious Korean fried chicken. Check out my last vid for the details. If you like what you see, subscribe, comment, like, share, click all those buttons. Cheers.